Hey everybody, this is Renee Rutten, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a graph in Canva. And I made this graph here as an income example for prospects and for me to use in my PWA advertising. And it's a 4-month growth chart on what someone could earn with the Partner with Anthony program. And the numbers that I used was that assuming that your subscribers are going through the program and they're getting the build redirects, they're using ClickFunnels, they're paying for the Partner with Anthony program, and they're using an autoresponder. So I just kind of estimated it at 9350. Could be much more than that depending on, what level of program they take, if they take the more expensive level in ClickFunnels and so on and so forth. But I just wanted to show very basically what someone could make. So, and then I'll continue on here and I'll show you exactly all the steps of how I did that. So here we go. So this is how I did it. First of all, I started with a presentation. Let's just go back home so you can see it from the beginning to the end. So I started with this presentation format. Okay, and then I went to Elements and I just grabbed this chart here. Now you can search charts up under Elements and get a few more if you want, but I just used that very simple one. Okay, so then the first thing I did was I just changed the color. I like this color a little bit better. I think it's a little bit closer to what the Partner with Anthony program actually uses. Okay, so the way you get your information in this chart is you double click here. And as you can see, the items 1, 2, 3, and 4 are down the left-hand side here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then these numbers over here are along the bottom. So I changed item number 1 and I said first month to subscribers. Okay, and the amount of money that you would make just on the basic programs, if they're using all of the basic programs with a Partner with Anthony, would be $187. Okay, so then I said item number 2, and I said second month, and I said plus 4 subscribers. So now I've got 6 total. So then my monthly income is going to be $561. Okay, so then I went on down to the 3rd month and I said plus 8 subscribers. And then the amount of money that you would be making would be $1309. Whoops, something else in there, $1309. Okay, so then for the 4th month, I said another plus 8 subscribers. And now you're going to be making $2,057 a month. So then let's just get rid of that so that that doesn't show there. So that is how, that's how I come up with my numbers. And that's how to make a chart in Canva. And then, of course, you can always go over here to text and put in your T for your shortcut for your text box. And then you can just label it whatever you want it. Partner with Anthony, income graph example. You could probably come up with something a little bit better than that, but that's just a quickie label for it. So there you go. That's how you make a graph using Canva. And then you can download that, and always be sure to download it as a PNG if you're going to use it on the web or in most video programs. So there you have it. That's the end of the video for today. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. Please leave me comments. I appreciate those. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.